Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have seen what is elements, compounds, molecules, valency, radicals. In radicals, we have studied about electropositive radicals, electronegative radicals, electropositive elements, electronegative elements. So today, in this lecture, we are going to discuss how to write the name of the compounds. Okay, and you have to count each atoms. So first example is aluminium chloride. In English, it is written aluminium chlorides. Now you have to write in chemistry language. So first of all, the symbol of aluminium is Al and the symbol of chloride is Cl. First part is electropositive elements and second part will be electronegative elements or electronegative radicals. So first part you have to find in table number 3 and second part you will find in table number 4. Okay, so in the previous lecture I have told you have to write all the tables and you have to learn that. So in table number 3, if you will see, the symbol of aluminium is Al, capital A and small l. Its valency is 3. The valency of aluminium is 3. In table number 3 you can see. Chloride you have to find in table number 4. Symbol Cl, capital C, small l. Valency is 1. What you have to do? Cross multiplication. See, this will be equal to Al 1. Then write C, capital C, small l 3. So no need to write 1. So it will be AlCl3. It means in chemistry language we will write aluminium chloride as AlCl3. Understood? Now you have to count the number of each atoms. Okay? So here number of aluminium atom is equal to, see, here is nothing, it means 1. Aluminium atom is equal to 1. Similarly, number of chlorine see, if you will write, then write here chlorine, but this is compound. Aluminium AlCl3 is a compound, so its name will be aluminium chloride. So don't write chloride atoms, write chlorine atom. Number of chlorine atoms because there is 3 atoms. Number of chlorine atoms is equal to 3. Understood? So more example I will take. Aluminium sulfate. Again, this is electropositive element, electronegative radicals. Electropositive elements you have to find in table number 3. Its symbol is Al and again its valency is 3. You can check in table number 3. Sulfate. Second part you will find in table number 4. Sulfate symbol is capital S, capital O and 4. Its valency will be 2. You can check in table number 4. Again cross multiplication. This will be equal to Al to Al to, see, here is more than one element or atoms. Here is sulfur and oxygen. If there is more than one atoms, then put a bracket. SO4, bracket close, 3. So this will be equal to Al2 bracket SO4 3. It means in chemistry you will write aluminium sulfate as Al2 bracket SO4 bracket close 3. This is aluminium sulfate. Now you have to count number of atoms. So in this compound Al2, Al means Al is the symbol of aluminium. So number of aluminium atom is 2. See, here is bracket, here is bracket. S means sulfur. Here is 1. Here nothing, it means 1. Here is 1. So 1 bracket is here. So 1 into 3. It means sulfur atom is equal to 3. Here oxygen O, capital O, okay, capital O. O4, here O4, this is bracket, and this is 3. So oxygen will be equal to 4 into 3, that is 12. Number of oxygen atoms is equal to 12. Number of S means sulfur. Number of sulfur atoms is equal to 1. Here is 1. Nothing. It means 1. 1 into 3. It means 3. Sulfur atom is 3. Aluminium atoms is equal to 2. So right here. Number of aluminium Al atoms is equal to 2. Number of sulfur capital S atoms is equal to, see, here is 1 into, always multiplication, okay, 3, that will be equal to 3. Number of oxygen atoms is equal to, see, 4 into 3, that will be equal to 12. Atoms 12. If single atom is there, single atom is here, atom is equal to 1. More than 1 atom, then you will write atoms. That will be equal to 3 in case of aluminium chloride. I will take some more example. Third one is calcium carbonate. So again, this part you will find in table number 3, and second part you will find in table number 4. So if you will say calcium in table number 3, then its symbol will be Ca. You can check its valency 2. Carbonate, find in table number 4, that is C, capital C, capital O, 3, CO3. Its valency 2. See, in the table of 2, this will come. So 2 banja 2, 2 banja 2. It means now here is 1. Here is 1, okay? Cross multiplication. Then we will write equal to Ca, capital C, small a. Because first letter always capital, second letter always small in case of elements. Valency 1, Ca1. See, here is more than 1 atoms, so we will put bracket CO3, bracket close. This is 1. No need to write 1. Then this will be equal to CaCO3. In English, this is calcium carbonate, but in chemistry language you will write calcium carbonate as CaCO3. Here, number of calcium atom is equal to 1. Here is 1. Nothing. It means 1. Carbon atom is same means carbon. Carbon atom is 1. Oxygen atom is 3. So right here, number of calcium atom is equal to 1. C for carbon. Number of carbon, capital C, atom is equal to 1. Oxygen 3. Number of oxygen atoms is equal to 3. Understood? Next example, ferrous sulfate or iron bracket 2 sulfate. Both are same. In your textbook, you will find this one, iron 2 sulfate. 2 indicates valency 2 because iron have 2 valency. For ferrous, valency is 2. For ferric, valency will be 3. So this is ferrous. It means its valency will be 2. Or iron 2. 2 indicates its valency. It means we are talking about ferrous. So ferrous, again in table number 3. Symbol Fe. Valency 2. Sulfate. Symbol S, capital O, 4. Its valency again 2. 2 1 the 2 ones are cross multiplication. This will be equal to Fe1. More than one atoms is there, so we will put bracket SO4, bracket close, 1. No need to write 1. So this will be equal to FeSO4. FeSO4 means ferrous sulfate or iron 2 sulfate. Okay. Right here, number of iron atom. Here iron atom is 1, sulfur atom is 1, oxygen atom is 4. Okay, if I say there is 2, here is 2. In case of see, here is 1. So 1 into 2, it means in this compound iron atom will be equal to 2. Here is 1. 1 into 2. 2 iron atoms is here in these molecules. Here is 1. 1 into 2. Sulfur atom will be 2. In case of oxygen, O4. 4 into 2. That is 8. So in these molecules, iron atoms will be equal to 2. Sulfur atom will be equal to 2. Oxygen atom will be equal to 4 into 2, that is 8. So if you find number of atoms, then you have to multiply. Okay. So no need to write 2 here. So here number of iron, symbol Fe, atom 1, sulfur, number of sulfur atom again 1, number of oxygen atoms will be equal to 4. Okay, so I hope you understood how to write name of the compound in chemistry. Okay, so I will give you the homework. So in that homework you have to write same way. There is many example I will give at last. So first of all, you have to write the name, then you have to count each atoms. In these compounds, iron atom is equal to 1, sulfur atom is equal to 1, oxygen atoms is equal to 4. Okay. Some more example I will take. So next is hydrogen peroxide. Symbol of hydrogen is H. Its valency is 1 in table number 3. Peroxide, symbol capital O2. Its valency will be 2. Cross multiplication, that is H2. Here O2, you have to put bracket because there is more than one atoms. O2, it means oxygen is 2. So put a bracket, O2 bracket close, 1. No need to write 1. So this will be equal to H2O2. In chemistry language, hydrogen peroxide is written as H2O2. H2O2, it means hydrogen peroxide. Okay. So right here, number of hydrogen atoms. Don't write H2. The symbol of hydrogen is H. That's why I have written H here. Atoms is equal to H2. Here is 1. 1 into 2. It means 2. Number of oxygen O, capital O, atoms is equal to O2. 2. So understood? So I will give the homework at last. Now I am taking some different example. You have to count the number of atoms. You have to count number of atoms in each compound. Okay? K means potassium, Fe means iron, C means carbon, N means nitrogen. So in these compounds or molecules, you have to say how many potassium atoms are there, how many iron atoms are there, how many carbon atoms are there, how many nitrogen atoms are there. Understood? So in these molecules, K means potassium. So potassium atoms potassium K atoms. This will help you in the balancing a chemical equation. If you will balance a chemical equation, that time this concept will help you. Okay, so that's why I am telling here. Potassium, see, here is 4, here is 2. So potassium, then potassium atoms will be equal to 2 into 4, always multiplication. Don't add 2 plus 4, that will be equal to 6. No, always multiplication. 2 into 4, that will be equal to 8. In these molecules, in these compounds, potassium atoms is equal to how much? 8 atoms. Okay. Iron, symbol of iron is Fe. Atoms is equal to C. Bracket is from here. Fe, here is 1. Nothing, it means 1. And here is 2. Then 2 into here is 1. That will be equal to 2. Again, number of carbon atoms, see, here is bracket, here is 1, but since out of bracket there is 6, so here carbon atoms will be equal to C. 2 is here, then write 2 into, here is 1 into, here is 6, that will be equal to 6 to the 12. So in this compounds, carbon atoms is equal to 12. I repeat, see, here is bracket, here is 1, then 2 into 1 into 6, because 6 is outside the bracket, so 6 will be you have to multiply 6, a 6 into 1 into 2, that will be equal to 12. Similarly, number of nitrogen atoms, is equal to C. Again, here is 2, at 2 into, here is 1, into, here is 6, 6, again 12. So in these molecules, number of potassium atom is equal to 8, iron atoms is equal to 2, carbon atoms is equal to 12, nitrogen atoms is equal to 12. Understood? Now in these molecules, Ca means calcium, Si means silicon, O means oxygen. So calcium, calcium Ca atoms is equal to, see, here is 1 but here is 4, then 4 into 1, 4 into 1, that will be equal to 4. Silicon, symbol Si, atoms, here is 1, here is 1, here is 4, then 4 into 1, that will be equal to 4. Oxygen, capital O, atoms, here is 4, always multiplication, 4 into, see here is 3, 4 into 3, that will be 4 3 the 12. So in these molecules, calcium atoms is equal to 4, silicon atom is equal to 4, oxygen atom is equal to 4 3 the 12. I hope you understood. In this case, here is 5. Mg means magnesium, H means hydrogen, C means carbon, O means oxygen, magnesium. C equal to, here is 5, bracket is from here, here is Mg, here is 1, then here is 5, then 5 into 1, that will be equal to 5. Hydrogen, symbol H, atoms. See, here is 5, so write 5 into, here is 1 into, since bracket is close here, so 5 into 1 into 2, that will be equal to 5 to the 10. Similarly carbon, symbol C, atoms is equal to, here is 5, this 5 will be multiplied through what? 5 into, here is C, 1, nothing, it means 1 into, here is bracket, out of the bracket there is 2, again 10. Then oxygen, O, atoms is equal to, is 5, write 5 into O, 3 is there, so write 3 into, after bracket there is 2, write 2, 5 3 the 15, 15 to the 30, 30 atoms of oxygen is there in these molecules. Okay, so I will give you the homework. So in the homework, what you have to do, you have to write the name of the following compounds in chemistry language. Okay, its answer will be given. At last, this is the answer, so you can match here. So in next lecture, I will tell you how to balance a chemical equation. Okay, how to balance a chemical equation. Thank you.